Hey guys, I'm Mia Paris and I'm on the set of Home to Win doing a really fun and really easy do-it-yourself project for some storage in your bathroom, in your bedroom, and you just need a couple of things to get started. A piece of reclaimed wood, some gold mason jars, you have your measuring tape, you have your pipe clamps, you have a ratchet, believe it or not, some screws, a pencil, and of course something to get those screws into the board. So you take your tape measure, measure the overall width of the board, mark your measurements, and then we have our pipe clamps. You just need to drill a hole into the pipe clamp, center around here, so that when it sits on the board, it sits nice and smooth, and that the little buckle there is easy to tighten with the ratchet. Once you have your pipe clamp secured on with a screw, pop in your jar, tighten it with your ratchet. And once you get that secured, you just follow your measurements all the way down the board, and you end up with a product that looks like this. Pop in some toothbrushes and some cotton swabs, and you're ready for guests to come stay the night. Fun and easy.